Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
How to cure snoring permanently, what causes snoring and what can I do about it? Why it happens. If you snore, it's because the relaxed tissues in your throat vibrate as the air you breathe in rushes past them. About half of US adults do it from time to time. Things like your weight, your health, and the shape of your mouth can make you more likely to sound like you're sawing logs during the night. How do I know if I snore? If it's loud enough to wake your partner, you probably have heard about it. If you don't believe them or sleep alone and want to know for sure, turn on a voice-activated recorder before you fall asleep. Stuffy nose. Anything that stops you from breathing through your nose can make you snore, like if you're stopped up from a cold, flu, or allergies. Over-the-counter medicines or nasal strips can help open up those airways, but talk to your doctor if you're stuffed up for weeks at a time. You sleep on your back. This can make you snore or make it worse. Sleeping on your side is better, and cuddling with your partner, spooning, gets both of you on your sides. You also could try sleeping with 2 or 3 stacked pillows so you're not flat on your back. The shape of your nose. If the thin wall between your nostrils didn't form quite right, one side can be smaller than the other. That's called a deviated septum. That can make it harder for you to breathe and make you snore. The same can happen if your nose was hurt in an accident. The shape of your mouth. If the upper part of your mouth toward your throat, your soft palate, is low and thick, it can narrow your airway and make you snore. That also can happen if the small piece of tissue that hangs from your soft palate, the uvula, is longer than usual. You may be born with these things, but they can get worse if you're overweight. Surgery can sometimes help with this, too. Is it your medication? Drugs that make you sleepy, called sedatives, muscle relaxants, and some antidepressants can relax your tongue and the muscles in your throat. Talk to your doctor if you snore and take any of those. She may be able to change your meds. Sleep apnea. This is serious snoring that stops your breathing as you sleep. It may make you gasp for breath or wake you during the night. Signs of it include dry mouth, headache, or a sore throat in the morning. It's linked to stroke, high blood pressure, and heart disease. What you can do: watch your weight. You're more likely to snore if you're overweight, especially if your neck is more than 17 inches around. Losing a few pounds may help keep it in check. Talk to your doctor about a plan that would be right for you. What you can do: cut back on alcohol. Like some medicines, adult beverages can relax your tongue and throat muscles, and that can make you snore. It helps to watch what and how much you drink, especially close to bedtime. Anti-snoring septum. The definitive solution to snoring. Designed to increase the amount of oxygen you inhale with each breath. Its effects are visible from the very first day, and after a few sessions you will feel a marked increase in your abilities during the day. Smart Sleep doesn't contain any chemicals, its effects are completely neutral and do not cause any side effects. Click the link in the description for getting access to the cure. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope the information we presented shows you our excellent service. So, what are you waiting for? Take action now and feel the change soon.